Like mango slida. Crazy. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel for yet another video. So today, guess what I'm doing? I'm having a mango mukbang, guys. Yep, a mango mukbang. You know, mango season now in Jamaica. Mango a stone dog. Yeah, for those who have mango tree anyway, like myself, let me give you a glimpse of my yard. It's still full of mango. Yeah, mango been dropping off the tree like crazy. Let me zoom up over there. Watch there. Look at that mango. Those wish people that come pick up mango. Yeah, people come and pick mango, but wish more would come, guys. Look at that. There's 3 black mango tree in the yard. Them all loaded with mango, and then be dropping like crazy at night time. And then you have the Julie mango tree over there and one Julie in the back as well. So me almost I get tired of mango now, but before, look at this. Look how beautiful they are. So I have Blackie mango. I have Julie. You have East Indian mango, and we have number mango. So you have people that have other mango tree and them give me the type of mango them have, and them come and them pick my Blackie mango and Julie mango. So no problem. Those which more people come pick the mango type of ways. So I'm say, yeah, I'm gonna have this little mukbang. I'm so dark. Ugh. Get down like this. Yeah. Yeah, I have my plate for my skin, mango skin, and my napkin. I'm not gonna do it inside, but I needed the breeze, so let me enjoy this out here. Yeah. So now I'm gonna eat half of them anyway. So this one is the number mango. Guys, comment down below, tell me which mango is your favorite mango. This number is very big. This number mango very big. Normally them not this big. And this was given to me by one of my friends. She has number mango tree, so she gave me. You know, the Blackie mango is actually my favorite mango though. But the thing is, ever since my live right here and I have the tree, Blackie mango tree, I'm like super Clyde. Super Clyde. If people come to your house, them you don't eat mango? Yeah, I eat mango, but this is 3 big ass mango tree, and there's no way, thank God earth, me can't eat a quarter of the mango me by myself. I love number 2. So whenever I see people come to mango, I'm happy. Let's clean up for me too. Mango time is like a mango bush me live. Trust me. This one is very sweet, I'm not gonna lie. it up on the fridge and it cool, sweet, cool and nice. Very juicy and sweet. Guys. Hear me. Hear me. I'm gonna probably eat mango. Constant ear in my teeth, the mango ear, like I'm gonna that annoy me. Normally if I want to 2 mango I eat, I clean out the whole of that. The seed like a white. But you see I try so much mango, I'm not go quarter this. Let me get in now one of the black heat. Guys, remember the mangoes. Wash your mangoes. Sweet. So you can chop and skin and everything and wash your mango properly. Yeah. To the mango now, remember my mother so much. Because I would have to full much bag of mango and carry gear. She loved mango. She used to love mango so bad. Hey, the little mango seed, you know, you can just stick it and have it in your mouth. Well, let this out in your mouth. Something passing, man. Something. Yeah, music. Like mango seed. Crazy. Normally I don't make that make this white, but I have a lot of mango to eat. And taste the eating that. I love eating them, but like I said, the black key, mango I'm favorite, and I love number as well. How far am I going to go into this? I'm really start to feel like now. Hear them starting on my teeth, that alone and I mean. You know how beautiful it is to live in a country that produces all these wonderful fruits. We are so blessed and we don't even know it. This one is very juicy and sweet as well. All of them taste so far very, very sweet. When mango time, I make mango juice. Who love mango juice? I love mango juice as well. Very nice with the ginger all up in it, and you could taste a passion in it. Nice. You know what I'm gonna try though? I'm gonna try make mango ice cream. Yeah guys, I'm gonna do it on camera so you guys can see how it turned out. Very sweet. The juice just are run, so like no, I'm very good at it, so I know after this I can't eat another one. God no. I feel like I just swallow like 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar. Where the mango them sweet. Sitting outside enjoying these mangoes. Breeze does cool and nice. It does be thankful for the simplest things in life. Most time them are the one who bring you joy, trust me. Mango juicy na sweet. Some people when them have a big mango like this, them slice it and eat it. We Jamaicans, we just bite the skin and just tear in it like. You must find Jamaican cut a mango and go when them and share it. Trust me. When we share the mango, it's so slice it. But otherwise, we're tearing in it. Now me, I have to sit down and pick out all these here out of my teeth and brush my teeth. That's on the downside about eating mango all the time. Get some belly full. All I need now is a glass of water. Wash down all the sweetness. This seed is getting deal with properly. This mango seed, I'm done. Can't deal with that mango seed anymore. Just me. Now I feel alarmed to hear them in my teeth. Need to pick them out and wash them, guys. I cannot go anymore. All the sweetness and the full and the fresh and the nice because it depends on the fridge and the cold and that's nice. Enjoy the mango them, guys. This little mango mukbang. Gonna get myself a glass of water and clean my teeth. Alright.